Today we will be talking about the particular type of virus, that is TMV virus. TMV means tobacco mosaic virus. These virus, given by scientific name of the virus, is protovirus, that is tobacco. These are infect the tobacco plant. Why the name of the mosaic? So it look like a mosaico like appearance, means the mosaico symptoms include leaf is molting, means light and dark green or yellow patches is appear on leaves. The leaves are commonly stunted, curling, and veins may be lighter than normal. So, more than 100 type of plant virus are known, which cause the serious disease in plant of these TMV. This TMV has been studied mostly extensively. So these virus was discovered by B. Iwanaski in 1892. But it is isolation in crystalline form was done by Stanley in 1935. The TMV particles are rod-shaped or needle-like. Each rod is approximately 3000 micron in length and 170 nanometer in breadth and has a molecular weight of approximately 40,000. These particles have two constituents, that is the protein coat and nucleic acid. These are about 134 turns to 1 TMV protein coat, and the protein coat is made up of approximately 2130 identical protein subunit, and that is known as the capsomere. That is known as the capsomere. The detailed analysis has shown that there are 49 subunits over 3 turns. In average, these 3 turns from one structural unit, which is repeated every 6.9 nanometer in the axial direction. In other words, each succeeding ring is at a distance of 2.3 nanometer is in the same direction. There is a central core of about 4 nanometer in diameter. So, in capsomere, this is the capsomere. Each capsomere consists of long chain of 158 amino acid and its molecular weight is 18,000. The capsomere are helically arranged around the central single-stranded RNA molecule. So in RNA, it is a single-stranded and possesses a 6,000 nucleotide pair. The RNA molecule is not located in the central hollow core, but it is deeply embedded among the helical grooves form a depression on the successive protein such unit. protein and nucleic acid ratio in these particles is 94.4 is to 5.6. The total length of rod has been 130 helix and each helix has approximately 16.5 protein subunit. So in each helix of RNA there are 49 nucleotides and the helix has a pitch of 23 micron and RNA is the effective part and it directs the synthesis of complete TMV means tobacco mosaic virus particle. This is about the TMV virus. So in HIV virus, the next virus we studied that is the HIV virus. During last decades, the human civilization has been confronted with a deadly scourge in the form of new disease that is AIDS. It is caused by an virus called as human immunodeficiency virus that is the HIV virus. It is it causes acquired immunodeficiency syndrome that is AIDS in human. HIV has antigenic variant of HIV-1 and HIV-2. It destroys the immune system of human and therefore in a person the immunity to fight against the pathogenic disease is lost and patient died. So this HIV particle is about 100 nanometer in diameter containing as a protein envelope to which a spicules of glycoproteins are attached. The envelope encloses the isohedral capsid core that possesses a macromolecules of RNA as genetic material. So three-dimensional structure of the viral envelope appear like a sphere made up of an assembly of 12 pentameres and 20 hexameres. In the center of each corner of the hexamere, a glycoprotein that is GP120 is found which play a key role in binding the HIV to its host cell. These GP120 is attached to another protein that is known as the GP41 which crosses through a viral coat. The GP120 is connected with GP41 through the chemical connection and constitutes the target of neutralizing the antibodies which are capable of blocking the virus and checking the capacity for infection. Immediately under the envelope, the protein of the core surrounding the central mass that is the polygonal structure. The central mass contains two helix of RNA. The folded form to which get attached on the enzyme reverse transcriptase. This enzyme, reverse transcriptase enzyme, control the transcription of RNA to DNA. This is called as the central dogma reverse, which can produce antibodies to fight against the virus of target cell. The B lymphocytes are unable to divide and differentiate into antibody which secreting plasma cell. The virus continue to grow within the blood and lymphatic system of infected person. The second point is that replication of HIV in target cell. In the infected cell, the HIV replicate after coming out of cosmate core. The RNA molecule acts as a mRNA and it possesses and the enzyme reverse transcriptase. It synthesizes a single-stranded DNA with the help of tRNA and the single-stranded DNA synthesize another strand and become a double-stranded. So the working of immune system in the presence of HIV. The infection is carried out through the spicules of HIV which attach to the target cells. The GP120 has affinity for specific molecule of T4 exposed on the surface of lymphocytes. The lymphocytes play a major role in the immune system and the eight systems are expressed after their destruction. The infected cells rapidly produce antibodies against GP120 which is recognized as foreign body or as an antigen. Some antibodies attach to the envelope and block the connection of virus to T4 molecule of target cell. Each of the larger quantity of neutralizer antibodies is not capable of stopping the dissemination of HIV. These infected T4 molecule, that is lymphocytes, are unable to secrete interleukins, a soluble substance which can communicate to another cell of immune system, that is the B lymphocytes. So this is about the HIV viruses. Thank you.